morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I have a doctor's appointment, so we're gonna get ready for that. So my doctor's appointment is in a couple minutes. I'm gonna have to drive a little bit, but there's some stuff I have to take in, and I have to print some stuff off. So I'm gonna do that real quickly, okay? So I'm waiting for my computer to start up, but like 2 weeks ago, I had some really tough days. So I'm taking that to them. I made sure to write down whatever was going on. I am going to go to this appointment, and then when I get home, I need to find something to eat. There's some strays outside I would like to feed, but I'll probably feed them later on today because, well, no, I'll feed them before I leave because if you did not know, oh my God, what's up with all beeping and dooping and pooping? Jesus. Because if you didn't know, cats also like routines. So I think I have them in a routine of eating in the morning. So I guess I'm gonna keep that going. I'm gonna just take this off. Just go to the appointment like this. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. I was trying to be cute going to the doctor, but it's girl week and I don't feel like it. Didn't feel like it. So let's open. Since I don't have insurance anymore, I gotta get some financial assistance and bring in a paycheck stub. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will see y'all probably after the appointment. Maybe. Well, I'll see you then. Off to our apartment. I'm already here. Off to our appointment because I gotta fill out some paperwork, and I will see you after. I got breakfast, right? From Chick-fil-A. I got a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. A frosted coffee. I got one of the little doodle cups because I thought they were cute. My therapist said, medicator, he's a medicator. He's the one who has my medication. He is going to he's gonna keep me on what I'm taking now. He wants to put me on a mood stabilizer, but I don't know how to feel about that. Well, that would be the point of it, isn't it? Frosted coffee from Chick-fil-A, because their frosted coffee is the best, the absolute best. This little girl's waiting on me because she's hungry. I feed the stray cats in our apartment, and she's up under my tire. Little girl. I'll feed her, and then I think I'll just get my classwork handled, and I'll see y'all then. Sorry guys, I had started on my classwork and stuff. Didn't mean to do that. I started on my classwork, and then I'm just, oh goodness, I dropped my key. Where'd it go? Oh, there it goes. I dropped my key. I got frustrated with my keyboard, so I'm switching out keyboards. From my 60 to my 140, 160, I don't remember. Is this a 160? I can't remember. 140, regular keyboard, mini keyboard to regular keyboard. I just got an email from my teacher because I wanted to make sure I got accommodations is that ADHD is not playing with me anymore. I'm going to finish putting this keyboard together, and let's see what we can do. I can't remember why I just don't stick up there. Was it y'all too? How dare you? How dare I? Will this fit? Oh my god, it will not fit. Uh-oh. Whoa, 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 we got an issue. It got stuck. Let go. Nope. That was way too long. What the heck? I guess I'll have to go back to using that green one. Oh, goodness. Stick those in there. What about this one? Is this one? Absolutely not. If this fits, I'm gonna be so angry. Oh, you janky thing. Oh, you're so janky. Oh, I hate it. Got anything good in here? I do not. Oh, yes, I do. Control. Fantastic. I have one last space bar before I lose all my shiatus. There's no fit, I'm screwed. And so is that keycap. Oh! You are so lucky, because I was about to screw you up, boy. Oh. I was about to screw you up. And now I'm done. And now time to switch over. I need to find a cover for this. It's gonna mess up my thing. There we go. Fantastic. So I'm done doing the work I have to do. And now I'm gonna go socialize with the felines outside. I like coming outside. There's nobody here. And if they are here, they don't care. And if next door neighbor's here, she's usually saying about the kitty. What you got in your tail, mama? They hurties, don't it? Oh. Thanks for the lizard earlier. She's one of them teenager kitty cats. I also like it because, like, everyone over here minds their business. Nobody asks too many questions about the weird black girl taking care of the stray cats. Right? Right. Nobody asks questions because it's none of their beeswax. Okay, so back inside. It was cold out there. God damn. But I am hungry. We're gonna make something to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna get out the refrigerator because you're in the refrigerator. I can't tell what I want. Veggies, mozzarella bites. Do I have any meat? We have shredded chicken. I can make a quesadilla, but I want the mozzarella bites. And I need some vegetables. Korean corn cheese? No,
Nowhere to put it? Okay. I'm gonna do yogurt and peanut butter chips later because that will be dessert. I got some kiwis, strawberries, eggs, a lot of eggs. I really like eggs. They're good for you. It's a good type of protein. Ooh, phone bit to die. You know what? I'll just see you after I find something to eat, and I'll let you know what I ate. If I do.